30 Covert Emotional Manipulation Tactics: How Manipulators Take Control in Personal Relationships by Adeline Birch is a book that straightforwardly addresses its content. It frames manipulation as a strategic game, where understanding its tactics empowers you to counter them effectively. Within its pages, it outlines 30 manipulation tactics, offering insights into early warning signs. Specifically focusing on covert emotional manipulation, it emphasizes how these tactics can be challenging to detect. Although it broadly mentions personal relationships, the advice primarily targets romantic relationships, yet many tactics are applicable in other relationship dynamics. Birch's book serves as an introductory resource, employing accessible language and information. If you possess prior knowledge of dark psychology and manipulation, seeking a more in-depth exploration might be advisable. Pros: covers 30 emotional manipulation tactics comprehensively. Clear and concise language aids understanding. Assists readers in bolstering relationship boundaries. Cons: primarily directed at romantic relationships, yet contains adaptable information. Provides an entry-level overview of the topic.